Magandang hapon, teammates. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang PTV Sports. Encouraging every Filipino to live happy and healthy with Meg Siozan sa Live Better. Adventure ba ang hanap nyo? Samahan nyo ako at mag-explore sa Sports Trip. Nasubukan niyo na bang mag-paintball? Kung kayo ay naghahanap ng similar game to get a rush of adrenaline, bakit hindi niyo subukang another version ng sport na ito? Dito sa Taguig City, there is an arena swag for everyone looking to unleash their competitive spirit. Ako si Sheila Salaysay and let's enjoy the sci-fi game with futuristic gears dito sa Sports Trip. With me now is the operations manager of Laser Extreme, si Mr. Jude Anignon. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon. And sir, tell us more about the Laser Extreme. Kailan ba ito nag-open or nag-operate? Ano ba yung mga na-experience ninyo nung nagsisimula kayo?
Laser Extreme is the pioneer of laser tag entertainment in the country. So inopen to noong 2008 of May. So this was brought to the Philippines from a Filipina from Bacolod. And then Laser Extreme caters party events, so such as birthday parties, corporate team building activities, and also we cater game tournament seminars, and we also bring Laser Extreme to places like hotels, clubhouse. So this is a unique party activity for everyone, with family, friends, and also for company. We are promoting an activity that they will create bonds, yung bonding.
What makes it fun and exciting? Ano sa tingin mo, sir, yung unique dito sa Laser Extreme?
The unique is kasi this is not a typical game na madali mo lang puntahan. So bihira lang to sa bansa natin. So we find this unique kasi you're going to play with like an interactive game na it's a modern game for laser tag tagging. This is perfect from 6 years old to senior citizens. Pagdating naman doon sa safety ng mga client, ng mga guests or players na meron kaming game marshal na during the game nag-iikot siya, check yung mga players. And we also have the briefing orientation na to remind the players doon sa mga don'ts na hindi pwedeng gagawin sa loob, like yung no running, no inappropriate words, no physical contact.
Ang laser tagging ay isa sa mga entertaining na laro ngayon, combining leisure and sport. Bago magsimula, pumasok kami sa Malagalactic Room para sa briefing ng rules at do's and don'ts before and while playing the game. Simula na to! Next, it's time to gear up. Kasama si always present Miss Isabel at kumasa para sa ma-action activity na to si Kuya Bonito. Ramdam ang excitement at kaba pagpasok sa madilim na arena. Pero iba-iba rin ang kulay ng vest namin, no? Ang laser tag ay may tagu-taguan factor. Ang challenge sa amin, sa laki ng arena, ang hirap hanapin ng mga kalaban. Kailangan sharp ang senses. This is a great way to blow off steam at nakakawala talaga ng stress. High-paced nature din ito kaya ramdam ang tagaktak ng pawis. To stay active, pagtakbo, pagtago, kaya full body workout ito. Minsan, pwede ka ding maging aktor dito. Mala Charlie's Angel ang peg. Matapos ang takbuhan at tawanan, sino nga ba ang ultimate laser tag champion sa amin? Ang nagwagi, ang arbiter, si Miss Isabel. Dito sa Laser Extreme, meron silang pinakabagong activity, the interactive wall. an additional entertainment or amusement activity launched just this January. Sobrang daming choices ng games, kaya hindi nakakabore. May beginner, intermediate, o ikaw man ang expert, pwede dito. Angry Birds ang unang sinubukan namin. Bagay na bagay sa mga bata o isip bata tulad namin. Sunod naman naming sinubukan ang aming shooting skills sa King Hoops. At ang huli, ang Arena Masters. Bago simula ng laro, mababasa ang objective at mechanics paano laruin ito. Sa laro na to, nasubukan ang patience, targeting skills at bilis ko. Each game is good for 5 minutes. Pero wala pang 5 minutes, pagod yarn. Groups of all sizes pwede dito, kaya pati mga celebrities at athletes, pinipili ito. Pwede din i-level up ang party experience dito. They offer food and snacks na talagang nakakabusog. May mga function hall sila na pwedeng maging venue ng company events or parties. So you can party and play, experience the thrill at the same time.
This is a great way to get in touch with your inner kid at mag-enjoy. Try this recreational shooting sport. Learn different shooting styles at laser tag skills with family and friends. O ano, sa susunod ulit, sama na dahil dito sa Sports Trip, ano man o saan man, Gina G tayo.